just to be quite technical about it, sir, kasi nasabi din naman sa press conference before na she's being eyed as a self-confessed mastermind. So, our probe here is looking at the VP. Para siyang suspect talaga dito.
Hindi naman. Kaya nga pinagpapaliwanag natin siya to shed light. Bakit niya nasabi bakit siya nakapagbitiw ng salita na pag ako namatay, kailangan mamatay yung ganon. At sagot sa kanya nung kausap niya, yes ma'am. Di ba? Ganon.
Gaano po kahaba yung full length video? Ilang minuto?
Ay, mahaba yung full length. Mahaba yung full length ng video. We have the complete video. Yes.
Sir, sorry if makulat ha. Just to be technical about it, kasi when she was dubbed as the self-confessed mastermind, is she being probed for actually saying that she contracted a killer, di ba? So is she a hostile witness against her own self, or is she a suspect? Parang when she appears here, ano exactly siya?
Eksakto na tatanungin namin siya bakit siya nag-declare ng ganun. 'Di ba? Siya nagsalita noon eh. Si BP nagsalita noon. Ang hinihingi lang namin justification bakit nasabi mo 'yan, reason bakit nasabi mo 'yan, anong background bakit nasabi mo 'yan. Lahat tatanungin namin sa kanya.